Thank you for calling room service. This is Reg speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some foods.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Nina and my room number is 205.
Thank you for that information. Okay, miss. Miss Nina, of room 205, may I take your order?
I want American breakfast with scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Would you like tapsilog or ratsilog?
No?
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Nina, may I repeat your order? Your order for American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, and hot tea. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it away or at a specific time?
Deliver it right away.
The total amount of your bill is 1,500 pesos. Are you paying cash or charge into your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Is anything else that I can help?
None.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. I'm Ray Justin, your room service attendant for today. This is Miss Nina of room 205.
Yes.
May I come in?
Sure.
Would you like to set up the table for you, ma'am? Would you like to open the curtain for you, ma'am?
No.
How about the TV? Would you like to open it?
No.
Please allow me to present your order, ma'am. This is American breakfast with scrambled egg, white toast with butter, orange juice, and sausage, and hot tea. Is that okay, ma'am?
Yes, that's perfect.
Is there anything I can help you with?
None.
Okay, ma'am, before I leave, please, I have your signature. Okay, ma'am, I'll be back after 45 minutes to pick up the tray or leave it outside the door. And thank you. Have a nice day.